We would also like to thank Viva Cafe, Buzzing Clear, and Tutsito for making this event possible. Thank you so much. You know mo? 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much everyone for coming at Viva Cafe Series 5. I'm Alfonso Pangulan signing off. Special thanks again to Ms. Vito for making this event possible. Maraming salamat po sa support.
Vote wisely, everybody! Good night po, happy Mother's Day!
Sa ina mo at sa ina ko. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you so much, folks! Wow, 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 wow!